Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina, and today I am here with my next video. The topic was material order. Today we will continue that. All the things in the material order are lifeless and are composed of smaller units, atoms, coming together to form bigger units. Such combining is referred to as composition, and the splitting up these units is referred to as decomposition. The material order simply exists and has no growth, nurturing, or was. Its conformance continuity in nature takes place through physical and chemical processes. The plant order is made up of units called cells which have life. These cells are responsible for various physiochemical activities in the body. Hence, along with composition, decompositions, plants also grow. Nurture was depending on the availability of nutrients, climatic conditions, etc. However, they don't possess any consciousness or I as in animals or humans. Difference between eye and body of animals and humans. The body of animals and humans have the same activities. However, there is a great difference between the conscious activities of the self in both of them. Eye of animals versus humans. The eye in the animals is confined only to the selection test process, will to live, and characteristics such as cruelty, non cruelty. For example, a cow is satisfied if it is given some fodder. It doesn't think of where the fodder came from, who grew it, etc. It needs food just to keep itself alive. Possess the characteristics of bravery, perseverance, and generosity. They possess the reasoning skills and hence have an additional activity of knowing which is absent in animals. A human being's conformance is largely based upon his values and not his breed as in animals. A doctor's son need not think or behave like his father. Animals have the faculty of assuming, recognizing, and fulfilling, but they have no reasoning or knowing. A dog barks at a stranger, assuming that he is a thief, but it doesn't bark at a person it sees daily, irrespective of whether he is good or bad, because it lacks reasoning, knowing power. Animals have the breed conformance, they act according to their lineage. For instance, a puppy doesn't behave like a cub, a calf doesn't eat meat. In humans, the activities such as desiring, thinking, selecting, testing occur, leading to understanding and realization. Like the animals, the human possesses the will to live, but the will to live in happiness instead of cruelty, non cruelty. The humans possess the characteristics of bravery, preference, and generosity. They, according to the above table, what is written for I on the right side marks the basic needs for us as human beings. Surviving alone is not sufficient for us. Our need for continuous happiness is our innatness. We cannot live alone with cruelty or non cruelty. We need to live with preference, bravery, and generosity. Our basic needs is not just physical facilities. We also need relationships and right understanding. Unfortunately, we as human beings are living as in the left side column, animal consciousness, and the above table. On the other hand, our natural acceptance implies that we should live according to right side column, human consciousness. In the table, we are not making use of our knowledge to differentiate between the right and the wrong methods of living and are living in ignorance with animal consciousness, forgetting that human order means knowledge order. What is the way out? It is high time that mankind moves from animal consciousness to human consciousness and develop the right understanding so that the human order becomes fulfilling to all the other orders of nature. Thank you.